Here we go, guys. I'm going to do charcoal and oil pastel transfer. Enjoy the video. First, I'll lay down the first color, as you can see, evenly. Thin coat, whatever color you want, for the first layer. Press down firmly. Let it sit for 5 minutes. And then pull. There you go. Second layer. Thin coat. Evenly. To whatever shape, size you want. Place it firmly, flip over, rub firmly, let it sit 5 minutes, pull. Now we're going to do a drawing that we did on vellum. You can use tracing paper as well. You flip it, rub it firmly, make sure there's good contact to the jelly plate, and then carefully pull away the tracing paper or vellum if you decide to use either or, and it will leave you a print of your sketch. Now we're ready to use gel medium to pull the drawing onto evenly. Now take your drawing, place it right in the first color that you press firmly. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. And then pull. Now for the second drawing, same situation. You can use tracing paper or vellum. Flip it. Rub it gently. Good contact. Make sure it gets rubbed really good. The charcoal will definitely adhere to the actual plate. This is the reason why this occurs. And it leaves you a print. Same process. Use gel medium to pull the drawing. This will be the fourth layer. Even coats. Place it. There we go. Firmly press it down. Turn it over. Rub gently. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Here we go. Go for the pull. There you have it. Now, next, you can take any text, a piece of tracing paper or vellum, take your oil pastel, whatever color you choose, trace out the text that you would like to use. Once you do that, then you take the vellum or tracing paper that you added oil pastel text, and then place it on a jelly plate. Once you do that, rub it gently and firmly. It'll be the same process as the charcoal. Now, when this happens, it's not going to be as vivid or bright as the charcoal, but the image will be there once you pull it with a color background. You will see in a minute when this happens. My apologies for the delay. Scrambling here trying to find my materials. Please forgive me for that. Here we go. Place it. Rub firmly. Good contact. Once that happens, then you pull. Again, like I said, you'll see the image very light because it's somewhat of a resist at the same time, but I'm just showing you what you can do when you want to ghost the image of a text using oil pastels. Use an opaque paint, acrylic paint, or semi-opaque will work as well, or even gel medium. As you can see, I'm using the yellow here, so the text will be able to have a pop. Clean off the edges a little bit and give it a little rough look, as you will see. Once you do this, then you're ready to print. Find your placement, press down firmly, let it sit for 5 minutes or 6 until completely dry. And here we go. The next text. Use the same thing. This time I used only the piece of paper. Copy paper, it can be whatever kind of paper you want to use to put the text. And then take the actual pastel color and draw on the paper and do the same thing. You can do it either or. It will work. You can see it's very faint. You can barely see it, but you can pull this with gel medium and have the same effect. The whole idea of doing this is to have light text when you're doing this type of work. Then you can actually trace out, make bubble letters around the text if you like. Have fun with it. You can do whatever you want. Anyone can do this. Press down firmly, flip, rub gently but firmly, let it sit for 5 minutes. Once that happens, here we go. Here's the pull. I hope you enjoy this video. Here we go. Last pull. Hope you enjoy the video. See you guys soon.